Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Gemini 2.0 Pro with bolt.diy, and it is completely free guys. As you know that some days ago Google has released this model Gemini 2.0 Pro, and they have also told us that it has the strongest coding performance and ability to handle the complex prompts with better understanding and reasoning of world knowledge. And they have also told us that it has the largest context window at 2 million tokens, so that means you can generate a huge number of lines of code, and also you can debug the huge number lines of code. So for that we will go to this bolt.diy github link that is given in the description box. So here you will see this code option, so click on this code and just copy this URL and open your terminal or command prompt, and here just write git clone and paste that link that you have copied from the GitHub and press enter, and after that a folder will be created. So here you see that bolt.diy folder, and just go to this folder cmd, and after that you have to run some commands. So if you don't have this pnpm, just run this command npm install -g pnpm. After that run this command pnpm install. So what it will do, it will install all of the dependencies. You have to run all of these commands inside this bolt.diy folder, okay? And after that run this command pnpm run dev. This is the third command, okay? And when you will run this command, here you see that it will start this bolt.diy in this 5173 port, okay? So now if I go to this 5173 port, you will find this interface. Now here we will do the setup. Now for this Gemini 2.0 Pro we will use the open router. So here from this drop down we will select this open router as a provider, and here we will use the Gemini 2.0 Pro. So here go to this Gemini 2.0 Pro. Let me find it from here. Yeah, I got this Gemini 2.0 Pro experimental free. Okay, now we need the open router API key. For that, go to this link I have given in the description box. So you will find this interface. This is the open router, and here go to this API tab. Okay, so when you will go to this API tab, here you will find this create API key option. Click on this, and here you will find this create key, and here give a name. So I am giving my channel name AI Egypt, okay? And click on this create, and now you will get the API key. Copy that and go to this bolt.diy, and here click on this edit API key option, and here and just paste your API key and click on this green tick button, and now your API key is updated, okay? So now I can ask anything here. So I have some app ideas. Now I will try this Promodro timer app. So I will copy this and I will go to this bolt.diy and paste here. So Promodro timer website that I will generate. So now I will change something here, that a timer website, okay, a timer website for productivity following the Pomodoro technique. So click on this enter. Now you will see that it will generate the app. So it is generating. Here you see that the plan, the setup, the structure, logic. On the left hand side it has created the package.json, index.html, main.css, style.css. It has generated all of these things. See that in this preview section I will get that. So I got this Promodo Technique app in start, stop, reset button. In this way you can use this Gemini 2.0 Pro with bolt.diy, and here you can ask the question to improve the UI and to improve the logic also continuously. It is completely free guys. They have also written these things that it is free, okay? So I hope you found this video helpful guys. If you get anything error or if you face any problem, just let me know in the comment section, and you can watch the other videos also, like how to use this Cline and Rook code with this Gemini 2.0 Pro, and also you can watch this video, this Cerebrus and DeepSeek R1 combination to generate the code, and also you can watch this bolt.diy and this Genus Pro 7 billion model, that is a DeepSeek model, to generate the code. Okay, so many videos I have published till now, you can watch that. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe this, don't forget to like this video guys. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.